Howdy, y'all. It's time for a product review. What do you say? Yay, product review! It's a bar of soap. But it's not a regular bar of soap. It's a yapping dog. No, it's not a yapping dog. Baha. You're not part of the monologue today. Remember, we rehearsed this. Sorry, she wants me to throw her. B-A-L-L. She can spell. I don't know why I'm spelling it out. This is a stainless steel rub-away bar of soap from Amco Houseworks. And the purpose is it doesn't clean your hands. Sorry, I have to dig out a ball. The dog demands. It doesn't clean, but it removes odors. And I thought it was crazy when I first read. I don't know where I came across it. But I researched and ordered this off of Amazon. And sure enough, if you got stinky fingers, it removes it. It's not just this brand. And in fact, a chunk of stainless steel, preferably polished, would work. But this happens to be in a nice bar shape, so you can do all this. But onion, if you've been chopping onions, my fellow cat and dog people will know that cat food and dog food are stinky, and if you get it on your fingers, ugh, it stinks. So this helps. Chemicals, any yucky stuff like that you get, does a trick. And I thought about doing this video because I was at our local cheapy grocery yesterday, discount place, and they had this one for $2.99, and I snapped it up because it's shell shaped. It'll look nicely in the bathroom, in the powder room, in the water closet. So now we're almost through this. We're a 2 stainless steel bar of soap family. So excited! Like I said, the stainless steel actually does work. And I mean, this is gonna last forever. Look, it even has an onion on the back of the package. Garlic, onion, fish. No scrubbing or additional washing, blah, blah, blah. Then you can even put it in the dishwasher, although it doesn't trap odors, so just to keep it clean and shiny, I guess. Sorry, it's buggy. So it's a thumbs up. And this is stainless steel, so it's going to work just fine. Just as good as this one I got off of Amazon. You can go to the hardware store and get yourself a chunk of stainless steel, and it will do the job. So, that's it for today. Oh, no. Stop getting me off track. Stainless steel, stinky hands. It's a good deal. And that's all we've got for today. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a great day and a great apocalypse. Bye!